Welcome back to our YouTube channel AIGeniusX. In today's video, you and I will experience the Sora AI video creation platform together. Sora AI Video is an AI platform developed by OpenAI and is trusted by many people. Today we will experience the image-to-video and text-to-video functions of Sora AI together. You will create 3D animation videos with me with this platform as you saw at the beginning. Sora AI allows us to create videos from pre-existing images with the image-to-video or text-to-video function. Here I have some prepared 3D animation images as follows. I will enter a prompt here. Now let's look at some of the results we got. Pretty awesome, the videos are beautifully created. I really like this video. I will do the same with the remaining images. Overall, the videos produced are pretty awesome. Great. Great, so we have just practiced creating 3D animation videos with Sora AI's image-to-video feature. Next, we will experience Sora AI's text-to-video function together. I'm going to start typing in a prompt text here. Wow! I love this video, it's really a great style. So, we have just experienced the video creation function with Sora AI, and created some great 3D animation videos. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share videos to help me have more motivation to make new videos. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. See you again in other videos.